of her clothes didn't fit her anymore, and I made a best friend out of the skeleton in the closet. I figured, oh, hey, maybe just ignore it, it'll go away. Keep it in the family for today. Everybody knows somebody with something to hide. Everybody knows somebody with something to hide.
The thing about being home is having the time to reflect on what you've just done and looking back at the places you've been, the people you've met, and being able to take it all in. It's not till you actually stop moving that you get the chance to sit back and reflect on the experiences and remember the things you've done. Being home is the ultimate perspective.
Hope that you remember days like this, when you're living somewhere new and reminisce. Things were never clearer in my head, when peace was in our home and needs were met. Made my mistakes, you'll see, but I gave you all of me. If you can take my faults, I will repay the cost. Some days I sit quiet in my head, lashing out in thoughts I never said. And you were never proud to heal my wounds. Let me figure out what wasn't true. Made my mistakes, you'll see, but I gave you all of me. If you can take my faults, I will repay the cost. I get so sick of wearing skin, and it gets harder to pretend. You stare into my soul like you know it's letting go. I can hardly say it's been worth the pain. You've been through the rough, so was my love enough? Made my mistakes, you'll see, but I gave you all of me. If you can take my faults, I will repay the cost.
I need that blue white bitch on Depop, chillin' teapot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thot. Should've never let that bitch alone with my sweet mind. Shot a bitch skipping, poppin' in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, pussy like a beatbox. Stop round up, bitch, thinking like Celine, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you talking to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You didn't really wanna act silly, behave. When I were on stage and a million gets made. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, they copy these flow, but they said that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever left the guy alone in my studio. Put them in the coffin, get them on a tombstone. Yeah, I got a half of the price of a Kudo. Living like a boss man, nothing like Hugo. I need that good price. When the plug turn pagan, tweaking, talking inflation. Peace is needed, getting impatient. Blood, everybody getting complacent. Leg, work, step on the pavement. Victory lap, I'm back in the station. I'm really a psycho, Patrick Bateman. If you see her with me, she's taken.
Blue white bitch on Depop, chillin' teapot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thot. Should've never let that bitch alone with my sweet mind. Shot a bitch skipping, poppin' in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, pussy like a beatbox. Top round up, bitch, looking like Celine.
spit the doom out, damage critical. All your shit is typical. I kill shit like I hit the doom. Making moves, bitches stupid. Play their life like PS2. Mayday, not I came to do everything that I gotta get the loot. R-I-P-T-O-H-I-P-H-O-P. I'ma prove them wrong by hitting fuckers with that energy. My G's tryna get that cheese. Y'all just wanna beast.
Are you nuts?
No, but I'ma make them suck these. See, I'm out the fucks to give her all them bitches press every. Making beats like every day. Lyrics done prepared to death. Pumping sopa de macaco. Switch the track to pretty flaco. Switch my language, switch the game. Switch my humbleness to rate. Getting the rappers up in a minute. No limit, can hold me. You're gonna in a minute. You lose it out when you're talking that liver. The fuck, I'm not finished. It's just the beginning. The devil is grinning cause I am a sinner for sure. But I never kneel down. Stand straight, act wise. This the shit I need now. Chillin' with my homies like all the ops gon' die tonight. Everything baby, fuck it, let me hit the mic. Chillin' with my homies like all the ops gon' die tonight. Everything baby, fuck it.
Feels like it's rained in my head for 100 days. Stare in the mirror and I look for another face. And I get so tired of putting out fires and making up lies, checking my eyes for some kind of lie, but nothing's inside. And it feels like it's rained in my head for 100 days. I've asked for forgiveness 100 times. Believed it myself when I halfway apologized. And it's not unfair, I'm asking for prayers, but nobody cares. Going nowhere, like falling downstairs while everyone stares. No one's there when I've asked for forgiveness 100 times. Shot. Maybe I'm just too eager. Oh, maybe I lost the plot. I used to pity some people. I said they were missing a spine. Yeah,